Hi everyone. In this video, I will explain in detail how to use the Binance Mobile App. Now download the Binance Mobile App to your phone. If you're ready, let's get started. Registration. After downloading the app, you need to create an account. To do this, tap on the icon in the upper left corner. Then press the Sign Up button. You will see this screen. Please pay attention here. If you want a lifelong 20% commission discount, you need to sign up using your email or phone number and then enter a referral code. I press this button. You need to write your email address here. Below there is a field where you can enter the reference code. Type the referral code below the video in this field. You are ready to click Next now. If you click the Next button, you will receive a verification code to your email or phone number. After entering this verification code, you will be able to log into the app. Home page. After entering the Binance app, you will see this screen. We are in the Home section, and there are many options here. Below, you can see the current changes in the crypto market. By using the buttons above, you can change the market screen according to your criteria. If you scroll down, you will come across current news, announcements, and recommendations. Other features. Let's look at the other buttons on the home page. At the top, you will see the balance in your account. Below that, there is a menu with various features of Binance. When you click on the More button, you can see all the features within Binance. You can also use the pencil icon here to select which features you want to see on your home page. At the bottom, you will see markets, trading, futures, and your wallet. I will explain these features in detail later in the video because we need to take security measures before trading. Identity verification. The first thing you need to do after logging into the app is to verify your identity. This provides security for your account, and if you verify your identity, you will be protected against any cyber attacks. This is really important to you. To verify your identity, tap on the icon in the upper left corner. Then press the button here. Here, you can verify your identity. Since I have already done identity verification before, the screen looks like this for me. On your screen, you will see a button asking for verification of your identity card. Using your phone's camera, you will upload the front and back of your identity card here. Then, you will do a selfie verification, and thus, your identity will be verified. Security. I'm going back to the main screen. The security of your account is important, so we will go to the security page. Now I'm clicking on the icon again and pressing the security section. Here, I can make security settings. As you can see, I use many security measures. I recommend that you use them too. First of all, your account must be linked to an email address and phone number. If you wish, you can link the Authenticator app to your account. Authenticator contains codes that change every 30 seconds. If you install this app and link it to your Binance account, you will need to enter the Authenticator code every time you log into Binance or withdraw money from your account. This provides additional security. Settings. We will make our own settings in the app. I'm clicking on the icon in the upper left corner again and tapping on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Here, there are general settings for the app. You can change your notification settings using this menu. You can set the currency in the app according to your preference. You can also use this screen to change the language. There are other settings below. For now, I prefer to explain the important ones, so I'm exiting this screen. Wallet. Now you are ready to learn about the Wallet section. On the home page, go to the Wallet section in the lower right corner. Here there is an Overview tab in the upper left corner. This tab shows the assets of all your wallets. In the Overview tab, there are many types of wallets, and you can see all your assets here. I will now explain how to use the Spot wallet. So I'm going to the Spot tab. You can see the crypto assets you have by scrolling down. If you have small amounts of crypto that you don't want to use, you can convert them to BNB. All you have to do is tap on this text and select the crypto asset you want to convert to BNB, to deposit money. There are different ways to buy crypto. However, it can vary depending on the country you are in. While on the home screen, when you click on the deposit button above, you will see deposit options. By using the first option, you can buy crypto with your credit card. The second option is the P2P option within Binance, where buyers and sellers are located. You can use the deposit option according to the commission rates and conditions of your country. Now let's look at crypto deposit and withdrawal transactions. Crypto deposit and withdrawal. If a friend is going to send you cryptocurrency, you need to give them your wallet address first. To do this, click on the deposit option. Now, you need to decide which wallet address to give. I usually prefer Algo or USDT. I'm going to type Algo in the blank space above. Yeah. Now I need to select the network. Algo has only one network, but other cryptocurrencies may have different networks. Please pay attention to this. If you choose the wrong network, your money may be lost. I have selected the Algo network. Yes, this is my Algo wallet address. You can copy this address by clicking the copy button below and send it to your friend. Now I'm going back. If you are the one sending cryptocurrency, you need to use the withdraw option. I'm choosing Algo. I click on the crypto network. Now I need to enter the Algo address in the blank space above. The network is selected as the Algo network. Enter the amount of Algo you want to send here. Value of 1 Algo is approximately 9 cents. After entering the desired amount, click the withdraw button below. After doing this, you will be asked for email and phone verification. You can confirm this by entering the verification codes sent to you as a message. The Algos you send will reach the address in 5 or 10 minutes. In addition to these transactions, you can use the transfer button to transfer between your wallets within Binance. In this section, all you have to do is select where you want to transfer your assets from your spot wallet, decide which asset you want to use for this transfer, and specify the amount. That's all. Now I want to show you trading. I have some USDT in my wallet. I'm ready to trade now. I'm going to use my USDT to buy some Ripple. To do this, I click on the trade button. Okay. Then I click on the text here and select the pair I want to trade. I want to buy Ripple using USDT, so I am typing Ripple in the blank space. Yes. There are many options here. On the left side, you see the trading board. The red offers are the offers of those who want to sell Ripple. The green ones show the offers of those who want to buy Ripple. Buyers and sellers come together in the middle to determine the price of Ripple. The current price of Ripple is around 50 cents. To buy Ripple, I will use a limit order first. Let's assume that I want to buy Ripple at a lower price. If I place an order significantly below the current Ripple price, the order will not be executed immediately and will remain as an order. I have entered a low price in this blank space. I have entered the amount of Ripple I want to buy. And I'm clicking the buy button now. Yeah, as you can see, the order did not execute. The order I placed is visible below. This order will only be executed if the Ripple price drops to my offer. Otherwise, the order will not be executed. I'm canceling this by using the cancel button. If I place an offer close to the current price or above the current price, the offer will be executed. Let's try. I'm setting the price. I'm entering the amount. As you can see, the order was executed. Now I want to sell the Ripple I bought. To do this, I need to use the sell button. I will also do this as a market order instead of a limit order. A market order is very practical and convenient. In this order type, you don't need to specify a price. You only need to specify the amount you want to buy or sell. If I click the sell button, the order will be executed immediately. Yes, that's it. Now let's use the stop limit. Stop limit is quite important in buying and selling. For example, when the price of your assets is falling, you can set a stop to limit your losses at a certain point. This way, you can prevent significant losses when you're sleeping or can't check crypto prices. Currently, I have some Ripple. Let's say when the value of Ripple drops to 40 cents, I want to sell it at $0.395. I'm specifying the amount, and I say sell, yeah. For this order to work, the price of Ripple must drop to at least $0.395. Otherwise, the order will not be executed. Also, the gap between these two prices is important. If you have a large amount of cryptocurrency and the gap between these two prices is very small, your offer may not be executed, because there may not be any offers in that range, especially during times of rapid price decline. Pay attention to this. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Binance Mobile App. I hope this video was useful. There's still a lot to learn. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.